What can you see, Aliyah? Aliyah can see. Guess what, guys? Yeah. Lobster.
Quando guarda cade, dai da te di te. Wednesday, Tuesday,
Okay.
and that's the finish round.
Okay. Oh. Ganyan. Ganyan si Aliyah. Akyat siya. Where are you going? Oh, hola. A rainbow baby is a baby, healthy baby that came after you lost one. First birthday for my child. I don't need to explain to anyone. Hello everybody! Another day, another vlog, another Mom Life Diaries here in the UK, guys. So, andito tayo ngayon sa aking kitchen. Time check is 10 o'clock in the morning. Today is 5th of August 2025 and I'm here with Aliyah. Hi Aliyah! You say good morning. What are you eating? Biscuit. Yan. Then, guys, ako nakapagkape na rin. And then, si Daddy ay working upstairs. So, he's working from home. Because today is Tuesday. So, pumasok si Daddy kahapon sa work. So, 6 days to go before Aliyah's first birthday. Ayan. So, medyo busy ako ngayong week kasi ako lang naman ang nagre-ready sa punong abala sa birthday ng anak ko. Supporting lang si Daddy. Hindi siya yung main person na naggagawa ng mga bagay-bagay. So, ngayong araw, lalabas kami ni Aliyah. We're going out because we have to order her cake. So, magdi-DIY ako ng cake, by the way. So, i-order ko yung cake and then, ako yung magde-decorate. Yun. Kasi nakabili na ako ng topper and everything. So, it's kinda like personalized. And then, hindi rin kasing mahal. Yun. Ng mga, yung nabibili ngayon na super gandang cake, pero ang mamahal. It's like 130 pounds yung na it only serves 8 persons. Yung tall na gano'n, na maliit lang. Which is like, sabi ko, ako na lang magde-design. Tapos, kukuha na lang ako ng magandang cake. Yung sa cake box. Ayan. Anyway, medyo chaotic dito sa aking kitchen. So, yeah. Ang haba ng intro ko, girl. I-cut mo na yan. Cut. It's here. Hi, guys. Madali ang makeup. So, aalis kami ni Aliyah kasi mag-o-order ako ng cake. Actually, mag-11 na. Hindi pa kami nakakaalis ng bahay. So, magpa-face powder lang ako. Nakapag-sunscreen na tayo kanina. Yeah! Okay, eto, tignan nyo si Aliyah, guys. Ang ginagawa niya, look at her. Oh, ayan. Oh. Sige. Akyat siya, akyat. Oh, hindi ko siya hinahawakan, guys, ha? Oh, ayan. Hey, Aliyah! Oh. Ganyan si Aliyah. Oh, akyat siya. Where are you going? Oh, wala sige. Oh my. Oh, sige. Oh my gosh, yan. 11 months pa lang to guys. Umaakyat na ng... Puntahan daw niya si Daddy. Okay. Wow. Puntahan mo si Dad. Look who's here. Daddy is working. Look who's here in the back.
Hi, baby.
She's very inquisitive. Ayan. She loves to open boxes. Right, come on, say bye-bye to Dada. We have to go.
Hey, you go down.
Yeah.
Go shopping. Did you get your kitty? Where's Kitty? Where's Hello Kitty?
Kitty? Do you
Where's
want
Hello
Kitty? There's Kitty and Primer.
Where's Hello Kitty? Anak. Oh,
No.
you're the doggy.
No.
You pet it. Where's Hello Kitty?
Where's Hello Kitty?
Where's Hello Kitty?
Where's Hello Kitty, Aliyah?
Where's Hello Kitty? Where's your Hello Kitty?
Is it too cold today? Not really. Alright, Aliyah, let's go. You can close your eyes, baby. Yes. Hi, guys. We are going to town. Time check, it's 11:06 in the morning. And meron tayong errands ngayon. So like what I said kanina guys is 6 days to go, birthday na ni Aliyah. So ako ang punong abala sa pag re-ready ng kanyang birthday party. Hindi namin alam kung madaming, parang half of our guests won't be able to make it. Pero ganun pa man guys, ipaghahanda pa rin natin ang baby natin dahil she is worth celebrating for. Isn't she? Yeah. Ngayong araw, pupunta kami sa cake shop. Guys, alam nyo, nagtingin ako ng mga cakes. Yung malapit lang sa amin, yung custom cake. Mahal. Parang hindi ko na lang ata, yeah, I chose not to go for it. And then, sabi ko, ako na lang magde-decorate. So, bumili ako sa Amazon ng cake topper. And then, ako na lang ang maglalagay ng cake design. So, ngayon, yun yung ating pupuntahan. Mag-order na tayo ng cake for Aliyah sa cake box. Meron kasi kaming hinire guys for Aliyah's birthday, which is yung bouncy castle, soft play, yeah, close your eyes anak, soft play, and then yung ball pit, yun. So syempre guys, we have to like balance the budget, ganyan, hindi yung all out tayo lagi, diba? So kaya minabuti ko na ako na lang ang de-decorate ng cake ni Aliyah kesa mag-order tayo ng pagkamahal-mahal na cake. Ano, Aliyah? Oh, so yung cake ni Aliyah na bibili namin around 40 pounds lang, and then yung topper, cake topper, nasa 13 pounds lang. So yung cake niya nasa 50 pounds kesa naman magbayad ako nung 130 pounds, diba? Tapos, ang kakain lang nun is mga 12 people. So, ano pa ba? kukunin ko din yung mga pinaprint ko na pictures ni Aliyah for the last year. Kasi meron siyang baby photo album na yung mga ano lang, kuha sa camera ba. And then, hindi pa available yung ano niya guys eh. Yung photoshoot niya. Kasi diba nag-photoshoot si Aliyah. Anyway, tapos kaninang umaga, nagtitingin din ako ng ng mga gifts namin for Aliyah online sa Amazon tsaka sa Smith. And then parang naisip ko na, alam mo, sa totoo lang, hindi naman kailangan ng bata ng madaming laruan, 'di ba? Parang alam mo nung dalaga tayo guys, nung dalaga ako, tapos gusto ko yung bumili ng mga damit, mga pang outfit, mga accessories, ganun yung nafe-feel ko na urge to buy Aliyah toys. Pero parang sabi ko, she doesn't need a lot of toys. Parang may nagbulong sa akin na, Grace, your daughter doesn't need a lot. But just buy quality toys na mabe-benefit siya. Like mga yung ma-enhance yung kanyang skills as a baby or as a toddler. So nagtitingin ako, hindi lang yung basta bili ng toy na next time is itatapon na lang, ganun. So I have to be intentional for what I'm buying for Aliyah. Guys, we are here sa car parking. Gising pa si Aliyah. So, what we're gonna do is ilalabas ko lang yung kanyang ang tawag doon? Pushchair, and then we go for a walk and do our errands in town. So, let's go guys! Aliyah, we're here! Hello. Hi. Come on then. Come to mommy then. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You don't have to cry. Mommy's here. It's okay. It's alright. We'll wait for someone. Hey, Aliyah. We're gonna order your cake. You're gonna order your cake. Yeah. We'll wait for someone to come out. Yeah, look at those cake. Do you want the cake? Yeah. Very nice cake. Okay. We're at the cake shop. I'll just wait for someone.
I take the order.
Yeah.
Okay.
The top. Can I just put something on top?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But normally we are writing on top of the cake.
Yeah.
So if you don't want,
No.
so we are not writing.
Yeah.
Then like you collect it and what you want is up
I'll
to you.
just put it. No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before
okay.
you cutting, just put it. Don't put it before like half an hour ago, but 1 hour ago. Maybe it will be like messy. Maybe I don't know what the thing is.
Yeah. I'll.
So
that's what
like
I'm looking.
just before you cut the cake, just put it and take a picture what you want. Yeah.
Oh, not during. Not 1 hour before.
Yeah, but like I don't know what the thing. First, let's show me.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
I'll
Okay.
give you information.
Yeah, but I'll go for that cake.
Okay, I'll take the order.
Yes, please. I just can't open it. I don't know why. I don't
Yeah,
know
because of the
internet.
internet problem here and there.
Hello! We're back in the car, guys. So, time check, it's 2:20. And Aliyah is there at the back of the car. So, we're ready to go. Right, let's go! We are going home to the house. Yes. So, tapos na ang ating errands for today, guys, sa town. Alam mo, wala akong ina-expect masyado na guest namin. Pero sana they will turn up, guys. Kung hindi, kami-kami na lang. Kami-kami na lang din. Pero nag-hire kasi kami ng hall. Kaya, first birthday ni Aliyah. Pero, pag second birthday, third hanggang hindi na. Simple na lang ang birthday. Simple naman tong birthday na to. Pero kasi, we tend to invite yung mga friends na medyo nakatira sa malalayo, ganun. Kasi first birthday, 'di ba? Pero siguro pag second, third, ganun birthday, hindi na. Simpleng birthday at handaan na lang kami after the first birthday. Hindi naman kailangan laging malaki ang malaki ang handa, ang party. Lalo na pagka si Aliyah ay nag-start ng mag-school, syempre ang i-invite na niya ay hindi yung mga acquaintance niya o mga friends niya. So, this first year, you know, it's good to celebrate. Kasi, why? Because, guys, thankful ako na andito yung anak ko. And she is healthy. She is growing well. Yes, anak. Yeah. So, it's worth celebrating it, isn't it? Guys. So, yun yung sinasabi ko. So, sa mga darating na birthday ni Aliyah, sabi ko kay Andy, hindi na kami masyadong i-invite ng mga tao, ganun. Kami-kami na lang. Pero ngayong first birthday niya is talaga namang worth it i-celebrate, guys, diba? Lalong-lalo na si Aliyah is in the online world or in the world of yung motherhood ba, tinatawag nila siyang rainbow baby. A rainbow baby is a baby, healthy baby that came after you lost one. Yeah, you lost a pregnancy. So Aliyah is the strong one, aren't you, Aliyah? Yeah, you are. You are mom's answered prayer. Yon. And that alone, guys, that fact alone, she's an answered prayer. I think she's worth celebrating, right? I mean, the best way we can. Na hindi naman kailangan super bongga, pero at least, you know, invite mo yung mga taong andon noong panahon na masaya ka. Kasi andyan na yung anak mo and they're there emotionally, physically, na nagsusupport sa'yo in the past and in the future. So, I think that's the essence of why we celebrate the birthday, na it's a celebration of life. Hindi para pakita sa tao na, oh, ito, you know, like, to show off ba. Kasi, anyway, ayoko nang i-elaborate yun. Pero parang, para sa akin, I'm doing this for my daughter. And actually, I don't need to explain why I'm doing this. First birthday for my child. I don't need to explain to anyone. All I know is she's my daughter and she deserves to have a birthday party. Ganun lang. Just simple as that. Aren't you, baby? Yes. Aliyah. You are a star. Yeah. So, malapit na tayo, guys, makauwi sa bahay.